First, you'll need the CurseForge launcher to manage your modpacks. If you don't have it, search for CurseForge launcher and download it from their official website. Once installed, open the launcher. Now, navigate to the Browse Mods section in the search bar at the top. Type All the Mods 9. You'll see the pack appear in the search results. Click on the All the Mods 9 mod pack. You'll arrive at its dedicated page. Look for the prominent Install button. Click that Install button. CurseForge will then ask you which Minecraft version you want to install it for. For All the Mods 9, it's usually best to select the recommended version, which will be clearly indicated. Once the download and installation are complete, you'll see the play button become active. Make sure All the Mods 9 is selected in the drop-down menu next to the play button. Click play, and this will launch the customized Minecraft launcher for the mod pack. Let it load fully. This can take a little while because it's loading hundreds of mods at once. And that's it. You've successfully installed All the Mods 9. Get ready to explore countless new biomes, craft powerful items, and conquer challenging dungeons. Dive in and discover a whole new universe of Minecraft.